Okay, the last shortcut is called side angle side. So this says, if two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of another triangle and their included angle, remember what an included angle is? It's the angle inside two sides, are congruent. Remember, angles are congruent, sides are proportional. Then the triangles are going to be similar. So if I'm looking at these two angles here and we have this congruent statement, if angle X is congruent to angle M, and remember this is the included angle, the corresponding sides would have to be XZ and MP, and then XY and MN. I would set up my proportion as XZ over MP. So it's going from blue to blue. And that would be proportional to XY over MN. So side angle side, side angle side. Remember, proportional sides, congruent angles. And that's our third and final shortcut. Then I'm going to write a similarity statement. Remember, it has to match that order. So triangle ZXY is similar to triangle PMN. So it matches like this. Okay, so 3 says verify that the triangles are similar, and then we're going to write a similarity statement. If I look at A, I see that the included angles are congruent. Now I just need to verify that corresponding sides are proportional. So the corresponding sides would be 2 and 1, and then these here. So I'm going to go from left to right. Is 2 over 1, is that proportional to or equal to 5.8 over 2.9? So I cross multiply. 5.8 times 1 is 5.8. And 2 times 2.9 is also 5.8. So I went ahead and showed that they are similar based on side angle side. If I'm looking at B, I see that I have 2 sets of corresponding sides, and these angles here happen to be vertical angles, so I'm going to mark that they're congruent to each other. So I'm going to identify my corresponding sides. I can see that this pointier angle is right here and here, so if I were to rotate this triangle, it would correspond to this length here, which is 12. It's like I'm kind of rotating this W onto the U. So that means WX corresponds to XU. So let's see, I'm going to do 16 over 12. I'm going to check to see if that's proportional to or equal to 20 over 15. So we cross multiply. I just check in my calculator. 16 times 15, that gives me 240. 20 times 12 is also 240. So yeah, they are proportional, which means those are similar triangles based on side angle side. And that's our shortcut.